How to calculate distribution for your own portfolio. Simply go to Sales Team Reports, Distribution New. The most important thing to remember in this report is to make sure that you only have one distribution calculated method selected. If more than one is selected, you will have no data. You really have to select one, either based on inventory or on sales. In the sales, you have option of your distribution calculated on a rolling 12, rolling 6, or rolling 3. Keep in mind that for inventory, it will only work for the provinces where we do have daily inventory from the different liquor boards. So this applies to BC, Ontario, Quebec, and New Brunswick. Once you've selected the distribution calculated method, make sure to select your channel. So that said, if you click more than one, it will only work for the channel that you've selected based on the distribution calculated method. So in this case, I'm using inventory for the LCBO. The way the report is done is pretty simple. You have the list of your products, the channel, the number of accounts that is possible for the product to actually be in. So in this case, Blue Nun can or could be in 679 accounts. The gap is 411, and it's only represented in 39% of the accounts. And here I have the distribution since the beginning of the year. And you can clearly see the evolution of the distribution based on inventory. If ever you want to go back in time in the columns, there are several other options, but you can add 2017 if you wanted to. Now, if I wanted, for example, to see the distribution by rep instead of all reps, there's this little option here that you can check off that says show all reps. And you will then have the same results for the accounts that are not represented and your reps. So the number of accounts each rep calls on, the gap where the product isn't, the percentage of distribution, and the evolution of distribution for this product over a period of time. As a second example, if ever you did want to pull LCBO stores and licensee accounts based on a rolling 3, just have to select a different distribution calculated method based on sales, refresh the data, and you'll be able to pull both channels at the same time. If I actually wanted not by rep, I will see that if I check Blue Nun only, I will see that Blue Nun results for licensee, number of accounts you can cover, number of accounts where the product isn't, percentage of distribution for licensee and retail for both channels for the same product. Again, if you wanted to see by rep for both channels, simply select show all reps. You can also filter by Blue Nun, and you will see the distribution for licensee accounts for all the Blue Nun products and all the retail distribution evolution over a period of time. Thank you.